Okay, gang, she's done. There's the new one. It's in the off position. I didn't take any compressed air. I just got a good vacuum in there. Didn't overdo it. So mark my new master bath heated exhaust fan, number 28. That's number 28. So she's all good to go. Just have to work on that. Do my fire caulk and do my repair for my wall. I'll get to that. I just cycled everything, so everything is coming back on in the house. So of course my light's gonna be, yeah, it's gonna be 1201. Printer's on. My modem's kicking in. So we're I'm gonna take a break. I'm gonna take a break because I've been working. I don't know how long it'd take me. A couple hours of really taking my time. So she's all done. All right, she is all done, and that was a nice breaker. So went in real nice. All right, I'll leave you with that shot right there. In fact, I'll leave you with this one right here. All right, master bath heated exhaust fan. More to come.